In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay MobileX bill online. If you need to take care of your MobileX payment, the important thing to know is that this is handled directly through the MobileX app. So before you begin, make sure the app is installed on your phone. It's available through the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, and using the app is the main way to add, update, and manage your payment method. Once you have the app open, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon. From there, select the section labeled You, which is your profile area. This is where you'll find your account-related settings and payment options. Next, go into Payment Cards. This section is where you manage the card used for billing. If you're paying your bill online for the first time, this is where you can add a new payment method. The app may give you a few different options, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, or manually entering your card details. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you, and carefully enter or confirm the information so your billing can process correctly. If you already have a card on file but need to make changes, you can also do that here. For example, if your card has expired or you want to switch to a different one, just update the saved payment method in the Payment Cards section. It's a good idea to double check that everything is current, especially if you're trying to avoid any interruption in service. You can also manage which card is used by default. To do that, find the card you want to use, tap the pencil icon next to it, and then select Set as Primary. Setting a primary card helps make sure future charges go to the correct payment method automatically. If you want to review previous charges or confirm that a payment went through, the app also lets you check your payment history. To do this, tap Access at the bottom of the screen, then choose Payment History. There, you'll be able to view past invoices and look back at your billing activity. This can be especially helpful if you're tracking payments, checking dates, or verifying what you were charged. Overall, paying your MobileX bill online is really about managing your billing through the app. As long as your payment method is added, updated, and set correctly, the process is straightforward. Just head to the menu, open your profile, go to Payment Cards, and make sure your preferred card is ready to use, and that's how to pay your MobileX bill online.